explain us why you come today.
I am here as a member of Right to Water initiative to support all the people fighting for clean air, for clean water, for forest, for everything that is endangered in Serbia. And it is very much endangered. We are here because of also mining companies that are preying on our country, that are preying on the soil, but also on the villages. So it's not only about the environment itself, and fishes, birds and rivers and trees. It's also about the people, because they are threatened with moving their homes or just leaving the space, which is unfertile anymore because of the mining spot that's in the focus of a big company called Rio Tinto. These two laws are definitely not enough for the environment. They are very good for the democracy. I mean, the giving up on these two laws. They're very good for democracy, but in a sense of environment, it doesn't change so much. So it only slows down our institutions and the companies to exploit, but it doesn't stop them. So we need to go further. We need to take another step or another steps, many steps, to try to protect the nature, but also to think about a little bit more in the future how Serbia should look like, what do we want as a development, because this is not a protest against development, this is a protest for sustainable development, for something that will be for the nature and for the people, and something that we can hope for. That's why we are here today, because we lost all the hopes with all the politicians throughout all these decades, and now there is a hope in the people. So that I think that's what gets people on the streets today. Rio Tinto is the priority today because they are the biggest and they are making the big damage. They would be making a big damage if protests don't succeed. But there are also a lot of problems in Serbia. There are also investments in mining of gold in eastern part of Serbia. Rio Tinto is more preying on western part of Serbia. In north we have Chinese companies that are polluting so much. We have many problems. So Rio Tinto first, and then we go to second.